Before we head out to our last locations and end this New Orleans series, let's go down to Jackson Square and I have a story to tell you guys. Have you guys met a person and you think to yourself, man, where have I seen this person from before? But I just don't know when or where. Well, meet a tour guide. During this entire tour, I was thinking to myself, where have I seen before? Luckily, I have footage from 9 years ago and look what I found. Wait for it and pause. Same tour guide 9 years ago. Back then it was $15 per person for the tour and now it's $20 per person for the tour. We want to do the tour mainly for the kid, but it turned out the tour was quite interesting. I'm not gonna bore you guys with the entire tour, so I'm just gonna tell you guys the 3 things that I found that were quite interesting. 1. During the major Hurricane Katrina back in 2005, this French Quarter area escaped the flood because it was above sea level. And 2. Because of reason number 1, rent around this area can go from 5 to 6 grand a month. You know what kind of mansion you can buy in Texas with that amount? And 3, you see this house right here? They split the house in 2 halves and sell each half for $800,000. I'm speechless. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that little quick tour of Jackson Square and the French Quarter. Let's go to the Garden District and enjoy our last meal in New Orleans at Commander Palace. So, what is so special about this place? Here's a list of all the awards that they received. Basically, one can say this place is one of the best, if not the best restaurant in New Orleans. And I'm about to do a review on it. On a side note, if you come here in shorts, they will not let you in. My godbrother Munmu has to go back to the car and put on some pants. Here's the menu, and I have to admit the price is very reasonable for being one of the best restaurants in New Orleans. I got the snapping turtle soup, snapping chicken soup, and the Hudson Valley foie gras for appetizer. And for the entree, I got the grilled pork tenderloin and the Angus beef. And even though I don't drink, I got the martini because this deal was just too good to pass up. 25 cents? Come on now, you know you will get one too. And while we wait for our food, let's enjoy some garlic bread with butter. How good is it?
It's good.
Garlic butter.
Put it on your lap. On your lap.
25-cent martini on the rock. I don't even drink, but I have to get one. Strong.
Oh. 12 seconds later.
The best I ever had, the best I ever had.
My wife got a Virgin Bloody Mary and look what it has in there. Okra.
Or the turtle soup, sir.
Turtle soup?
And it's topped with our dry sherry if you would care for it.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Wow. Turtle soup is good. Tastes just like chicken though.
I guess you want coffee or anything.
So good. And one bite is. Wow. You don't have to chew it. Melt in your mouth. Good. And just in case if you're wondering where did I get the shrimp from, well, my godbrother Munmu got his daughter some shrimps with fries. So my daughter saw that and she wanted the same thing, even though we already got her some food. She doesn't like shrimp, so I get to eat it. And while my daughter is not looking, these fries are really good. Beef is very tender. Very tender. The loin, it's okay. Stick with the beef. And you know you at a fancy restaurant when they do this after you're done eating. And look how they pack our leftover. Pretty neat, huh? For dessert, I got the bread pudding souffle, and our server was very cool with me capturing her math skill. How is it? It's good? Enjoying yourself?
A few moments later.
Wow. Oh, it looks dangerous. Wow. So light. Brian. It melt in your mouth?
Brian.
No. Get your own. So right about now you would think, okay, we had an appetizer, we had an entree, we had a dessert, we should be done by now, right? Nope. My god brother Memo decided to order the banana foster, so I'm gonna show you guys how our server makes it. First, she cut up the bananas. Then she make the sauce. Then she put the banana in the sauce. She let it cook. Then she go, dear Lord, please don't let me lose my eyebrow today. She pick up the rum and she go,
Yoga flame.
Then she throw in a little bit of brown sugar. Place the banana in a plate with vanilla ice cream, throw the sauce on top, and there you have it, folks. Banana Foster. Let's see how it tastes like.
Pineapple. You want pineapple?
It's good?
Let me try pineapple.
It's good. It's good? Show them up. It's good? Say thank you, Uncle Mun and Uncle Ha. No, Uncle Mun and Uncle Ha. And just in case if you're wondering if it's good or not, we just clean out the plate and look at what my daughter is doing. There's none left. She's still going for it. Really? Every scoop? Our bill came out to be $126.45 before tips. So overall, I thought everything was good, with the exception of the pork loin. It was okay. It's not bad, but it was okay. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much if you stayed to the end. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Yeah? See you soon.